Hello and welcome to Englio. Today we will learn about compound words. What is compound word? A compound word is made by joining two or more words to create a new word with a new meaning. For example, sun plus flower equals to sunflower. Are you ready? So let's look at our first word. Lesson number 10, word number 1. Tooth plus brush combines to make one single word, which is toothbrush. For example, I brush my teeth with the toothbrush every morning. Moving on to word number 2. Foot plus ball combines to make one single word, which is football. Look at this example. We play football every Sunday. Next up, note plus book gives us one single word, which is notebook. For example, she writes her homework in a notebook. It's that simple. Next we have bed plus room creates the single word bedroom. For example, my bedroom is clean and tidy. Heading over to word number 5, class plus room gives us one single word, which is classroom. Look at this example. The students are sitting in the classroom. Let's take a look at the next one. Black plus board leaves us with one single word, blackboard. For example, the teacher wrote the lesson on the blackboard. Moving on to word number 7, news plus paper leaves us with one single word, which is newspaper. For example, my father reads the newspaper every morning. Next is word number 8, hair plus cut creates this single word, haircut. Look at this example. I got a new haircut yesterday. Now let's unlock our next word. Moon plus light turns into the single word moonlight. For example, we walked under the moonlight. Next we have word number 10. Birth plus day combines to make a new single word, which is birthday. For example, today is my birthday. By the way, is it anyone's birthday today? Tell me in the comments. Heading over to word number 11, home plus work leaves us with single word, which is homework. For example, I finished my homework before dinner. Our next vocabulary booster is light plus house joins together to form the word lighthouse. For example, the lighthouse helped the ships at night. Moving on to our next word, air plus port comes together as one single word, which is airport. For example, we arrived at the airport early. Next is firefighter. Merged into one single word, firefighter. Look at this example. The firefighters rescued the family. Let's jump right into the next word. Snow plus man blends into a single word, snowman. For example, the children built a snowman. Up next, we have another interesting word. Key plus board transforms into one final word, which is keyboard. For instance, she bought a new keyboard. Heading over to word number 17, cup plus cake merges into one word, which is cupcake. As you can see here, I ate the chocolate cake. Next one is hand plus bag combines to make a single word, handbag. We can say as she put her phone in her handbag. Our next vocabulary booster is head plus ache blends into a single word, which is headache. Check out this sentence. I have a headache today. Now let's unlock our next word. Police plus man. And we get the single word policeman. Our example is here. The policeman helped the lost child. Next up we have star plus fish. It becomes a single word starfish. Here is how we use it. We saw a starfish at the beach. Let's take a look at the next one. Life plus guard. And then you have the word lifeguard. We can say the lifeguard saved the child from drowning. Heading over to word number 23, sail plus boat turns into the single word which is sailboat. Let's see an example. The sailboat crossed the lake. Word number 24, mail plus box merged into final word mailbox. An example of this would be, please check the mailbox. Next we have word number 25, earth plus quake gives us one single word, earthquake. Like this sentence, the earthquake damaged many buildings. Our next vocabulary booster is break plus fast. Joins together to form the word which is breakfast. An example of this would be, we have breakfast at 8 o'clock. Next up we have tea plus cup. Brings us to our final word, teacup. Here is how we use it. The teacup is on the table. Moving on to our next word, water plus fall. And you have the word waterfall. You can say the waterfall looked beautiful. So guys, we are almost at the end. So let's move on to word number 29. Eye plus glasses comes together as one single word which is eyeglasses. Our example here is, my grandfather wears eyeglasses for reading. Last but not least, let's look at our 30th word, tooth plus paste. And we get the single word which is toothpaste. Let's see an example. Don't forget to use toothpaste before brushing your teeth. So guys, that's all for today's lesson. I hope you enjoyed learning compound words. If you have any question, leave a comment below. Also drop your examples, your sentences, your words. So don't forget to subscribe my channel, that is Englio. And thanks for watching. See you in the next lesson. Bye bye.